Just like all of us, the Slovak Republic celebrates its birthday. On January the 1st, the Slovak Republic blew out 33 candles on its imaginary birthday cake. Let's take a look at how the Slovak Republic has changed over the years.
Even though we are approaching the West in many aspects, our mindset often remains stuck deep in the East. Home ownership is a life goal for every Slovak. At least, that is what the data tells us, as up to 94% of Slovaks live in their own property, a stark contrast to the EU average. Slovakia's GDP has more than doubled since the dissolution of Czechoslovakia. Our entry into the EU in 2004 played a major role in this. Our GDP is growing at a similar pace to that of our V4 neighbors, although we are far from the top performers. While Slovakia is undergoing significant rural development, the gap between the capital city of Bratislava and the national average of Slovakia in GDP per capita stays enormous.
Over the past 2 decades, we've revved up our engines and labor productivity has skyrocketed from level 16.59 to level 60.13 of the GDP per hour worked.
Yet our wallets don't feel it.
The average wage is a solid 1,524 euros, but the actual median is only 1,434 euros. As many as 90% of Slovaks earn less than 2,700 euros. While we are catching up to Europe in productivity, our wages have stalled. Compared to the V4 countries, they are now ahead of us in wage growth and purchasing power. We've remained trapped in the middle income trap. Living standards like in the West, but built up like in the East.
The two faces of Slovakia.